Hi, this is Nicholas Spinner with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with your weather briefing for the week of June 3rd for the Arklamis region. Highlights for the week ahead. The hot temperatures will continue across the region for the beginning part of this week. Then our attention will turn to a disturbance currently in the southwestern part of the Gulf of Mexico. And while we're not expecting tropical effects across the region, such as high winds, it does look like the system will at least bring increased moisture and a heavy rain potential to our region for the mid to late parts of this week. Then we'll see continued thunderstorm chances through the weekend as a slow-moving system moves across the country. Looking at that hurricane outlook from the National Hurricane Center, over the next 5 days, the system in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico has about a 60% chance for taking on tropical characteristics. And again, while we're not expecting direct impacts to our area, it will bring with it a chance for heavy rainfall and increased moisture to the region. With that increased moisture, we're looking at several inches of additional rainfall across the region, especially up towards northern Mississippi and into Tennessee. This will bring heavy rain to portions of the area which have already seen heavy rain over the last couple of weeks and months, so we may see an increased potential for flash flooding if particularly heavy storms develop across our area. Looking a little closer at the slow-moving weather system coming across the country through the middle to later parts of this week, that will keep the thunderstorm and heavy rain potential around the region. And with all of the heavy rain that's been experienced lately, even though we haven't had much over the last couple of days, moderate to major flooding still exists, especially along the Mississippi River and some of its immediate tributaries, including the backwater flooding ongoing through portions of the Delta. You can see that with all the rain that's fallen across the Arkansas River, major flooding still exists just to our north and west. Looking at the week in a snapshot here, those warm temperatures to start the week and increasing rain chances with temperatures a little closer to normal for the end of the week. And then as we look towards the end of the weekend and in the early parts of next week, it does look like those warm temperatures will return to the region. So in summary, a hot start to this week, then a disturbance in the western Gulf of Mexico working around through the region will bring increased heavy rainfall potential around the middle part of this week, with continued thunderstorm chances continuing into the weekend. Thank you for tuning in to our weekly weather briefing. As always, feel free to give our office a call if you have any questions throughout the course of the week, or follow along on Facebook or Twitter, or at our webpage listed below for further information and updates to the forecast throughout the week. Thanks again.